Referee Bill.
Okay, here we go. Match 9. Both teams starting off really strong. Boy, red is filling it up. But blue's coming back. Let's see. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. Autonomous is over. Here they go. Blues first enter the center. Let's see if they scoop it up. Both teams doing great jobs. Wow. Blue is just emptying their hub. Let's go, red team. And the red team. There they go. This is a close one, ladies and gentlemen. This one could go either way. Here we go. Red team playing some good defense down in the blue end. You've got, oh, look at that red team. Red team is scoring all over the place. Red team is clearing out the middle. Shoving a lot of energy back into their end. Cuban players making some big shots for the red guys. Red team causing a lot of distractions for the blue team down in the blue end. We're back down to 30 seconds. There it is, red team pouring it in now. They're pulling away. Red team pulling away. Blue team's coming back. Down to 5, 4, 1. Wow, great effort by both teams. And the winner is the Red Alliance. 174 to Alliance 7, 103. Okay, there was a yellow card for damaging contact by the blue team.